Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So I don't get on to Facebook an awful lot, but when I do, occasionally I've noticed something. Away from all of the excitement and novelty kinds of things, when I read some of the very successful cleaning business owners who have their own employees who are building their own cleaning business in their area, in whatever number of cities around them, close to them, they're trying to grow organically that way. I'll often hear them talk about, well, what I do is I try to find out who I want to clean around here and then start to get that relationship, find out who the key people are to contact, the person who hires the cleaning. I start to visit out there and I have they often say, well, I send them, these kinds of postcards, or I send them this marketing letter, or I send them an email, and they have a real simple but important process of starting to get to know the people in the buildings they want to clean. It's not super exciting. It's like farming. They figure out the places they want to get. Here's the 50 or 100 places or more they want to get. And day by day, they farm those on a regular basis. And it seems to me that those ones seem very successful, and they talk that very simple but important process of getting accounts. In a lot of the noise that you hear out there, it's probably important to remember to look for those people that are successfully growing their own organic cleaning company with their own employees, how they're doing it. And that seems to me to be a common thread in looking at that. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.